All right, let's take a look at the actual dish itself. If you guys can see it, it has a rubber bottom on it, and this one actually very slippery. There's our old one. This is a new one. We're gonna feed the dogs because this guy is super hungry. Are you hungry? He's hungry. He's super hungry, and this guy's also hungry. So we're gonna put this one, the sliding one, to the little one because he takes the bowl everywhere, and there he's hungry. Let's go ahead and feed him. He's hungry. But he's not, the bowl's not sliding as much as the other one. It doesn't even move that much. Every time I feed him, the bowl slides everywhere, and this one is perfect. I like the height of it. Perfect enough for food for him. It won't spill over like the other one always spills over, which is perfect. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. Damn, you must be hungry.